Welcome back, Eco Wellness family. Did you know our bodies constantly adjust to environmental changes as we journey through the seasons? So, one of the best things we can do for our health is to give our immune system a little extra love and care. After all, it's our first line of defense against colds, flu, and other illnesses that can really take a toll on our well-being. Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 amazing plant-based foods that not only strengthen your immune system, but are also packed with a variety of health benefits. So, here we go. Our immune system is like our body's personal security team, always on the lookout for harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria. Keeping it strong is key to staying healthy, not just in the short term, but for our overall well-being and longevity. By including immune-boosting foods in your daily diet, you can help your body's natural defenses stay sharp, reduce inflammation, and respond better to infections. Let's start with garlic. People have been using garlic for centuries, not just for its flavor, but also for its powerful health benefits. It's packed with allicin, which is known for boosting your immune system and helping your body fight infections. But garlic doesn't stop there. It's also great for lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and supporting heart health. For the best results, try eating it raw or lightly cooked. You can mince it and add it to salads, dressings, or bruschetta. Plus, garlic is rich in vitamins C and B6, and it's a great source of manganese, all of which are crucial for keeping your immune system strong, boosting your energy, and maintaining healthy bones. Want a tasty way to enjoy it? How about making some garlic and lemon hummus? Just blend chickpeas, tahini, fresh garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil for a delicious immune-boosting snack. Next up, we've got citrus fruits. Think oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. These juicy fruits are bursting with vitamin C, which is essential for keeping your immune system in top shape. Vitamin C helps your body produce more white blood cells, the heroes that fight off infections. But the benefits of citrus fruits don't stop at immunity. They're also great for your skin, aid digestion, and even help your body absorb iron from plant-based foods. You can enjoy citrus fruits raw, as a refreshing juice, or tossed into a fruit salad. And here's a tip. A squeeze of lemon juice over your dish enhances the flavor and packs in extra nutrients. Besides vitamin C, citrus fruits are loaded with flavonoids, potassium, and fiber, which support heart health, regulate blood pressure, and keep your digestive system happy. A favorite of mine is a citrus and avocado salad. Combine sliced oranges and grapefruits with avocado, red onion, and a light vinaigrette for a vibrant, nutrient-packed dish. Now let's talk about ginger. This spicy root is a kitchen staple and a powerful immune booster with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and for good reason. It helps with digestion, reduces nausea, and can even ease muscle pain and soreness. Whether you use it fresh, dried, or as a powder, ginger adds a delightful zing to both savory and sweet dishes. One of my favorite ways to enjoy ginger is by adding it to my morning smoothie or brewing it into a soothing tea. The active compound in ginger, gingerol, has amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Plus, ginger is a good source of vitamin B6, magnesium, and manganese, all of which support your immune system and overall health. If you're in the mood for something warm and comforting, try making a ginger and carrot soup. Just saute some ginger with onions, carrots, and vegetable broth. Then blend until smooth for a warming, immune-boosting treat. Spinach is up next, and it's a leafy green that can enhance a healthy diet for many reasons. Loaded with immune-supporting nutrients like vitamins E and C, spinach is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. But that's not all. Spinach is also fantastic for your eye health, bone health, and energy production. It's super versatile too. Enjoy it raw in salads, blend it into smoothies, or lightly saute it as a side dish. Spinach is also rich in iron, magnesium, and calcium, making it great for keeping your bones strong, your blood healthy, and your muscles functioning properly. One of my go-to recipes is a spinach and berry smoothie. Just blend fresh spinach, mixed berries, a banana, and almond milk for a delicious antioxidant-rich smoothie that's perfect any time of day. Last but not least, let's talk about almonds. These crunchy little powerhouses are an easy and convenient snack packed with vitamin E, crucial for regulating immune function. But there's more. Almonds also support skin health, brain function, and heart health. For the best results, enjoy them raw, roasted, or as almond butter spread on toast or added to your favorite smoothie. Almonds are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which keep you energized and support digestion. They're also a good source of magnesium, which specifically helps with nerve function, muscle relaxation, and heart health. Try almond and blueberry overnight oats if you want a quick and nutritious breakfast. Mix oats, almond milk, a handful of almonds, and fresh blueberries. Then refrigerate overnight for a delicious, ready-to-go breakfast. Incorporating these foods into your diet is not only easy, but also super delicious. Whether adding garlic to a hearty stew, sipping ginger tea, or enjoying a refreshing citrus salad, these foods can seamlessly become a part of your daily meals. And remember, variety is key. Mixing and matching these foods will keep your diet exciting, balanced, and nutritious. To wrap things up, these top 5 plant-based foods, garlic, citrus fruits, ginger, spinach, and almonds, aren't just great for boosting your immune system. They also offer so many other benefits. So why not start incorporating them into your daily routine and see the positive changes in your health and well-being? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more wellness tips and delicious recipes. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.